What's up, YouTube? So I was thinking of calling reviews nerd rants. I thought it'd be cool, so I thought you guys would like it. Tell me if you guys like it in the comments. I'd appreciate the feedback and enjoy the video. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another unboxing video. So last video, I saw that I was kind of not enthusiastic. So today I'm gonna try to be more enthusiastic because that's not how I want to come off. All right, so today I'm gonna do an unboxing for the PlayStation 5. I've been waiting for 2 weeks to get this. It's been a long ride. Whoa, hard pause on that one. All right, so let's get into unboxing. I got my scissors and I'm about to cut open the box. First, let's look at the box. It's an amazing box. So at the front, you'll see the PS5 and the PS5 controller right here with the PS5 with the PlayStation logo in the front with the PlayStation 5 watermark. And then up here, you'll see 8K, 4K 120, and HDR. At the sides, you'll see the same thing, PlayStation 5 with the controller. And then on the back, you'll see the PlayStation 5, the controller, PlayStation's motto, and then you'll see what's in the box on the back. So let's open it now. All right, so when you open it, you'll see this big white box. In this white box, you'll see how beautiful aligned it is. Like Sony did a really good job with this box. The first thing you'll see is, or the second thing you'll see is the controller. Seeing it in videos, it was amazing, but holding it in person, it's really cool. All right, the next thing you'll see is the manuals, which you know nobody reads. Come on now. All right, so the other thing is the power cable. So the power brick is in the PlayStation, so there's no power brick on the cable. So that's a plus. You also see the high speed. Oh, that's not the HDMI cord. This is the HDMI cord, the high speed HDMI 2.1. And then you'll see the charger for the controller, USB Type-C, amazing. And then you'll see the stand for the PlayStation 5. Let me open this. This is the stand for it. Amazing stand. All right, now I have a different angle for the box so I can take out the PlayStation 5. All right, here's the main attraction, the PlayStation 5. Ignore that. That did not happen. All right, so let's open this. Sony did an amazing job with the packaging. Here's the PlayStation 5. It looks way bigger in person, not gonna lie. Thought it was gonna be smaller. Here's the disc drive in the front. And then you'll see a USB port here with the charging things if you wanna charge your controller. And then on the back is the HDMI cord. There's two USB 3.0s and the power, where the power is supposed to go. Yeah, it looks really good. I would suggest buying this to anyone who's a gamer and likes games. And yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a really fun video for me. I love games and stuff like that. So if you want to see more content on me reviewing more tech and more game stuff like this, go down below and subscribe, like, comment, And if you have any suggestions, I would love that. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys later.